Hey guys, the other day I had a friend come and show me that he was trying to figure out how to play C sharp minor based on a chord diagram that you would usually see. The very common, most common C sharp minor one. It shows the three bottom strings fretted here on the 4th fret, and then the fourth string fretted on the 5th fret here, like this. And he said he was really struggling trying to like just do these strings and then add in this one. And I just wanted to show you, because I also showed him, that you don't really need to worry about just doing these strings here and then getting that kind of awkward twist in there. Instead, just bar the whole fret. You got your finger all the way up over the top. You can use the bonier kind of part of your finger if you rotate a little bit, and then drop your 3rd finger. I'll move it in a little bit closer so you can see a little bit better. The 4th fret, bar the whole fret. And actually, if you just play the 3 bottom strings right here, you just play these. Let's see. That's also a C sharp minor, but you can add in the 3rd finger, but bar the whole fret. Bar the whole fret on the 4th. That is a movable chord shape, so if you play A here, you have your A chord. Usually you play it like this one, right? With your first 2 fingers. If you slide it up, that's a B, but when you slide it up you got a bar, right? So 2 half steps or 1 whole step up, and that's a B. And then another half step is a C. And another half step is a C sharp. Take off your middle finger, C sharp minor. Same, I guess we kind of look at it a little bit backwards here, so got an A minor, B minor, C minor, C sharp minor. Hopefully that helps.